Look at these potatoes. It's so good. We're making southern scalloped potatoes. Let's go. First thing you want to do is get yourself a pot. We're gonna make some cheese sauce. 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit of flour. Add in all your milk. Here comes our bechamel. Put it back on the heat till it thickens. Our milk is nice and thickened. We're gonna add in our spices now. We got onion powder, creole seasoning, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Give it a whisk. Now we're gonna add in all our cheese, gruyere and pepper jack. Give it a whisk. We got our sliced potatoes here. We're gonna add in 2 sliced jalapenos. Then we're gonna pour over the cheese sauce. Oh, baby. Ooh. Now we're gonna fold it all together. Look at all this. Look at how perfect this looks. Oh, we're not done yet. We're not done. Top it with our remaining cheese. Now, look. It doesn't get much better than this, folks. Yum. We're gonna cover this with foil. We're gonna make this at 1 hour at 375. Oh, look at these potatoes. Bon appetit. It's so good. It's very, very good. That's all, folks.
12 tomatoes.